You might be wondering, what's the big difference between doing your own estate planning documents and using a lawyer that focuses on estate planning? Why shouldn't you do estate planning on your own? Well, in doing this full-time every day and going through the ins and outs with a lot of families, what I can tell you for sure is that there are questions you would not have even known to ask if you were doing this all on your own. And that's the most common feedback that I get from clients and for people who attend my free webinars and talks. That when we sit down and we talk, I have them think through things that they would never even have thought about on their own. My clients have the peace of mind of knowing that those questions were explored and that those answers were ultimately put into their estate plans so that we have everything covered, so that no stone goes unturned. So I encourage you not to do this planning on your own, thinking that you can do just as good a job as a lawyer can do. Because I do this every day and I do this full time. And I can provide you with peace of mind, not a false sense of security that you would get from a document that you do yourself online. Estate planning is a big deal. Don't underestimate its importance because you think you don't have a lot of stuff or that you don't want anything complicated. The stakes are pretty high. And I've seen too many families find this out after it's too late and after they've already spent a lot of money in court or have gotten caught with a lot of conflict. If estate planning were just about documents, I would refer you to an online place to get some cheap forms. But we both know that there's a lot more to your future than just a document. There's your children's future and your legacy. We design plans with the goal of making things as easy as possible for yourself and your family in the event that you become incapacitated or you die. You owe it to yourself and the people that you love to get this right.